Hey guys, in this video we are going to make an amazing and beautiful looking landing page. The main feature of this landing page is that the background images, because the background images are, we can say, it's changing automatically without a sliding button, or we can say we don't have to use a slide button to change our background images. So if you want to build or learn how to make this landing page, you should follow this tutorial at the end of the video. So without wasting the time, let's get started and go to our Visual Studio Code. I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use any of the code editor that you want. So let's go to our code editor. First of all, I will create a container, and in this container we have two things. First one will be a heading, which will be a programming with Arslan. The second one will be a button which will say subscribe. So I will save this one and open it with the live server. Now you'll see this design is not looking good. We just have to go to our style sheet and set the default margin to 0. Padding will also be 0, and the box sizing will be a border box. So for body, we want a font family of this color, not this color, this font family. So now you'll see we have a change in the styling. So set the body height to 100 viewport height, set the background image to, I think so this one will be a good. Let's see how it will look. Now it's not looking good. We just want to give some of the properties such as background position will be a center, background size will be a cover, and background repeat will be a no repeat. Let's save this one, and now you will see this image is looking beautiful and amazing. Now we have to target the container. So let's target the container and use flex box to bring it in the middle. Display flex, justify content will be center, align items will also be center. And now you see our text has become in the middle. So why it's not becoming coming at the middle? So let's copy these values and use it in the body. I think it will work. And now you see this design is looking at the coming at the middle. So set this property and set the flex direction to column. Now save this one, and now you will see we just want to target the heading and a button and design these things. So first of all, target the heading in the container, which will be a font size of 70 pixel, font weight will be 800, and margin bottom of 15, or we can say 20 pixel. Let's see how it will look. So set the color to white. I think white will look good. Now the white color is looking amazing. So let's target the button in our container. I will give it a padding from top and bottom will be 12 pixels, from left and right will be 28 pixel. Let's see how it will look. It's looking amazing. We just want to set some of the properties such as outline will be a none, border will also be a none, background color will be a red, and the color for the button will be a white. Let's save this one, and now you will see it's looking good. We just want to increase the font size to 18 pixel. Font weight will be a 600, and I think cursor will be a pointer. Let's see. Now you see this design is looking amazing right now and beautiful. So we just want to give a box shadow because we want to see a text our image. So as you see, we give a box shadow to our image and the text stand out, which are our heading. So let's increase the margin bottom to 30 pixel. Now it's looking good. So we will give an animation to our body container. The name will be a slide, duration will be a 10 second, and the timing function will be a is delay. We don't want a delay, we want a iteration count of infinite because we don't want it to stop. Infinite. So the direction fill mode, so we don't want also these properties. So let's move at the end and use keyframes for animation. So the name will be slide. First of all, at the 0% we have a background image of dot slash this one, and on the 33% we have a background image of this image number 2. On the 67% we have a background image of this third one, and on the 100% we will have a background image of, I think so, this one. Let's save this one and go to our landing page, and now you will see we have a beautiful and amazing looking landing page where we have beautiful images which are sliding or fading in and out without a slide button. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would recommend you to, and you should subscribe to this channel because you will get a lot of value and lot of knowledge and information about web development from this channel. I usually upload daily projects about front-end development, and I have also planned to upload projects about JavaScript and backend development in the future. So you should subscribe to this channel because you will get a lot of knowledge and a lot of value from this channel. So have a nice day and practice this project to improve your skills because this is the end of the tutorial. So have a nice day and bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you